IDH 182 by Bosch. What's up, guys? Really quick, I just want to thank Bosch for sending me out this 2-in-1 impact. I know it's been out for a little while, but I know they're really pushing on these core batteries, and they gave me a kit with the 6.3 core batteries. And I tell you what, man, this is a beautiful tool. Look at that. Nice charger. You hear that? Charger got a fan. German-made tools, and you know what? I'm a big fan of German-made tools. You know what I mean? I am gonna put this to the test. Bosch, I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about it. You know, you guys probably already know that shuts on the lights. You know, nice three lights there. Speed control, speed 1, speed 2, speed 3. Came with a nice clip. Came with a nice bag here. I love these bags, man. Better than the cases, man. That's my opinion. You know, I got this little adapter here for the 3/8, because I got a bunch of 3/8. I don't have enough 1/2 inches. They gave me a few Bosch bits that I've been dying to try. And yeah, I'm just overall, you know, pleased with Bosch. You know, you guys are amazing. You know, thank you for reaching out to me, you know, giving me a chance to test your equipment out. Look out for the review, alright? Peace.